been a long journey. Able to see many things and just have the opportunity to have one-on-one time with myself as well as having some one-on-one time with the Most High Himself. This trip was an awesome trip. Had the ability to be able to spend time with family members that I haven't spent that much quality time with in quite some time. But I'll be back in the lab, so to speak, and getting more reports and doing more interviews. But I want to thank you for having taken just a little bit of your time with me. By the time you see this, I'll probably be home settled in because I'm putting some edits on this. I ask that you journey with me and that you enjoy the simple truth of the whole matter is, no matter what you do, ladies and gentlemen, do it to the best of your ability and enjoy every moment that the Most High gives you. Don't take anything for granted. Don't take anything that you have for granted because it can be taken away in an instant. This has been the simple truth. And as I always tell you, it's the simple things that are oftentimes the most profound, but yet they're the most difficult to put into practice and to actually do. I want to thank you for joining me, and I'll see you, and you again